Once upon a time, in a land called Lumina, where the skies shimmered with golden sunlight, and the meadows sparkled with dewdrops, there lived a beautiful, shining Barbie princess named Aurora. Aurora was no ordinary princess. Her golden hair sparkled like the sun, and her gown radiated with tiny lights that seemed to dance as she moved. Aurora's kingdom was renowned for its happiness, harmony, and the most vivid rainbows that often arched across the sky. Aurora had always been fascinated by the rainbows. She loved watching their brilliant colors stretch across the heavens, filling the world with hope and joy. One day, while playing in the castle gardens, a peculiar thing happened. A little bluebird fluttered to her and dropped a small, shimmering key into her hand. "Princess Aurora," chirped the bluebird, "this is the key to the Rainbow Gate. It unlocks the path to a magical adventure beyond your imagination. But beware. You must bring kindness and courage on this journey, for they are the true powers of a shining princess." Aurora was thrilled but curious. "Rainbow Gate. Where is it, little bird?" The bluebird pointed its wing toward the distant mountains, where the brightest rainbows seemed to originate. Without hesitation, Aurora decided to embark on the adventure. She wore her most radiant gown, picked up her sparkling wand, and set off with her loyal companion, Starry, a mischievous but brave little unicorn. The Rainbow Gate. After a long journey through the whispering woods and across the glistening crystal river, Aurora and Starry finally reached the Rainbow Gate. It stood tall and glittering, made of pure rainbow light. Aurora held out the key, and the gate swung open, revealing a swirling vortex of colors. As they stepped through, they found themselves in a breathtaking realm where everything was painted in hues of the rainbow. Trees had golden trunks with ruby-red leaves, rivers flowed with sapphire blue water, and the sky was a magnificent canvas of ever-changing colors. A soft, melodious voice greeted them. "Welcome, Princess Aurora, to the Rainbow Realm," said Lumina, the Rainbow Guardian, a majestic figure with flowing hair made of vibrant light. "The rainbows of your world are fading, and only you can restore their magic. You must find the 7 lost rainbow crystals, and place them back into the rainbow heart." Aurora felt a surge of determination. "Where do I start, Lumina?" Lumina waved her hand, and 7 paths appeared, each glowing in a different color. Each path leads to a challenge. Only with kindness, courage, and a pure heart can you succeed. The challenges of the rainbow paths. Aurora chose the red path first, where she encountered a fiery dragon guarding a ruby crystal. The dragon roared fiercely, but Aurora saw that its tail was caught in thorny vines. Using her wand, she gently freed the dragon, showing kindness instead of fear. The grateful dragon handed her the ruby crystal. Next, she ventured onto the orange path, where she faced a dark, stormy cave. Inside, she found a phoenix whose feathers were dull and lifeless. Aurora sang a sweet song, and her melody brought the phoenix back to life. It gifted her an orange crystal as a token of gratitude. On the yellow path, Aurora found a meadow where flowers drooped sadly. She realized the sun was hidden by a thick cloud. Using her wand, she created a burst of golden light, cheering up the flowers and receiving the yellow crystal. The green path led her to an enchanted forest where a group of animals had lost their way. With Starry's help, Aurora guided them to safety, earning the green crystal. On the blue path, she dived into an azure lake to rescue a pearl trapped in a whirlpool. Her bravery won her the blue crystal. The indigo path tested her intellect. She had to solve a riddle posed by a wise old owl to unlock the indigo crystal. Finally, on the violet path, Aurora faced her toughest challenge. A lonely giant guarded the last crystal. He was mistrustful of everyone. Aurora spoke to him kindly, sharing stories of her kingdom. Her warmth melted his heart, and he gave her the violet crystal, restoring the rainbow heart. With all 7 crystals in hand, Aurora and Starry returned to the rainbow heart, a glowing orb at the center of the realm. Lamia appeared and guided Aurora to place each crystal in its rightful place. As the last crystal settled, the rainbow heart exploded into a cascade of light, filling the realm and the skies of Lamina with the most vibrant rainbows ever seen. The rainbows danced across the sky, spreading joy and color throughout the land. Aurora had done it. She had restored the magic of the rainbows. A hero's welcome. Aurora returned to her kingdom as a hero. The people of Lamina cheered for their shining princess, whose courage and kindness had saved the rainbows. From that day on, Aurora's light shone even brighter, and she continued to spread love and hope to everyone around her. And so, the beautiful shining Barbie princess and her magical rainbow adventure became a legend, a tale told across generations, reminding everyone of the power of kindness, courage, and a pure heart. The end.